How to go viral on YouTube. YouTube is a powerful platform that can help content creators reach millions of viewers from all over the world. However, going viral on YouTube is not an easy task, as it requires a lot of effort, creativity, and patience. In this blog post, we will explore some tips and strategies that can help you increase your chances of going viral on YouTube. 1. Create engaging and unique content. The first step towards going viral on YouTube is to create engaging and unique content that stands out from the rest. Your content should be interesting, informative, and entertaining, and should offer value to your viewers. You can achieve this by conducting thorough research on your niche and target audience, and by experimenting with different formats and styles. 2. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. Another important factor that can help you go viral on YouTube is optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags. These elements play a crucial role in helping your videos get discovered by your target audience, and can also improve your videos' rankings in search results. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, and to keep them concise and compelling. You can also use tools like Google Keyword Planner and vidIQ to help you find the right keywords for your videos. 3. Promote your videos on social media. Promoting your videos on social media can also help you go viral on YouTube. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram can help you reach a wider audience, and can also help you build a community around your channel. Make sure to share your videos on your social media channels, and to engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. You can also collaborate with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's content. 4. Engage with your viewers. Engaging with your viewers is a crucial factor that can help you build a loyal fan base and increase your chances of going viral on YouTube. Make sure to respond to comments, messages, and feedback from your viewers, and to encourage them to share your videos with their friends and family. You can also conduct polls, Q&A sessions, and other interactive activities to engage with your viewers and build a sense of community around your channel. 5. Use paid advertising. If you have a budget, you can also use paid advertising to promote your videos and increase your chances of going viral on YouTube. YouTube offers a range of advertising options, including in-stream ads, display ads, and sponsored cards, that can help you reach your target audience and drive more views and engagement to your videos. Conclusion. Going viral on YouTube is not an easy task, but with the right strategies and tactics, it is definitely achievable. By creating engaging and unique content, optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags, promoting your videos on social media, engaging with your viewers, and using paid advertising, you can increase your chances of going viral on YouTube and reaching millions of viewers from all over the world.